In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Samsung S21 FE to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up your S21 FE and connect it to a laptop. This is also going to work for any other smartphone. So if you have another Samsung Galaxy model or any other smartphone by other manufacturers, you will still be able to connect it to a laptop. All that you have to do is establish a physical connection between the smartphone and the laptop. The main way to do this is going to be through a USB cable. So most modern devices nowadays will have a USB-C port where you usually plug the charging cable, but all that you have to do instead is plug one end of a USB cable into the charging port, and then the other end goes into your laptop. You can use the standard USB-A to USB-C cable, or you can grab a USB-C to USB-C cable if your laptop has a USB-C port. It doesn't matter as long as you are able to connect one end of a cable into the S21 FE or any other model of smartphone that you have, and then the other end goes into your laptop. Immediately upon doing this, there might be a notification that you have to accept to grant access to all of the files of the smartphone. So if you see something on the screen, tap OK or let it go through. And after that is done, if you go over to the File Explorer on Windows, you will be able to find the S21 FE or your smartphone connected, and you can access its internal storage. You will be able to retrieve photos, videos, any documents that you might have, and everything will be available for you to manage. You can delete files, copy files, transfer the files over from the phone into the laptop storage, and do whatever you wish. You might also find the option to screen mirror your device. So just make sure that a physical connection is established with a cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung 21 FE to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.